Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix the IDM crossbar issue in Firefox. So let's get started. Simply click on these three lines, then click on Extensions and Themes. From here, turn off the IDM extension module. Then open a new tab and download the latest version of IDM. Once downloaded, install it over the existing installation of IDM. Now click on Options in the dashboard. Here you'll get the option of Advanced Browser Integration. Simply click on Restart. Once done, make sure the Mozilla Firefox option is checkmarked here and then save the change. Once done, go back and turn on the IDM integration module in Firefox. Now try to download files. That's it. As you can see, the crossbar issue is gone from the IDM. However, if this is not working, try this alternative. Click on these three lines, go to Extensions and Themes. Then simply click here and remove the IDM integration module from Firefox. Then search for IDM extension for Firefox. Go to the first web page and then simply add it to Firefox from here. Once you add it, the crossbar issue will get resolved. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if this helped and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.